So, hey guys, as I promised, I was going to build something with context using Firebase and authentication. So this project is similar to what we have with Redux and only with React. Okay, we have the two versions. Now, let's check what we can do with this. So, if I go to new post, okay, you can see that it just redirects me. Let's go back. If I click one of these, you can see that usually we would have something like edit here, but since we are not logged in or authenticated, we cannot do that. So let's say let's authenticate. Okay, we're going to change that. It said created account, but it's just the login. Okay, I forgot to add that or to change it, better said. So let's click this one. We can see we can edit. Okay, and let's say choose file. This opens on my other screen, so let's take this one. It's kind of big. Update post. Okay, just like the other ones, we don't have any we're not showing the tasks or the uploading bytes of the files. So I will do something later with React hooks to manage that, but right now this should work with whatever you need. Okay, in case you want to see how it's done with how we can do the authentication. Also, I'm showing something different here, that is the email. So if I go to logout, and I think I have another one, username, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's not I don't have that one. Okay, but you get the idea. We can log in, sign in, and the thing is that the email, let's say, is going to be displayed here, and yeah, we will have full access to the functionalities. We are not checking if the user is the one that created this, and since we are getting the email, you will have the option to add it yourselves. So yeah, so this is what we're going to build in the channel next week. Okay, so yeah, and see you in the next one.